Great.
All right. My name is Tycho,
My name is May.
And my name is Montgomery.
and our poster is on water quality and pollution in the region, and we're section AB Group 3. So, to start off, waterways across the region are becoming increasingly polluted due to a combination of human activities, including industrial discharge and agricultural runoff. Uh, Urbanization also plays a major role as cities expand. Stormwater runoff carries pollutants like oil, heavy metals, chemicals, and debris from roads and buildings directly into nearby rivers and lakes. Another major issue is the buildup of nutrients and fertilizers. When excess nutrients enter the water, they can cause toxic algal blooms, like the one shown in Seattle, in the top left. And these blooms reduce oxygen levels in the water, which can create dead zones where marine life cannot survive or thrive. We also see pollution events like oil spills, which is seen in Black River and Renton, Washington, also in the top left. And events like these further degrade water quality and harm to aquatic systems and marine life in the area. Overall, these combined factors are contributing to declining water quality across the Pacific Northwest and threatening the health of aquatic environments and marine life in those areas.
So, this degradation of the water and increased pollution impacts human communities and the natural environment in various ways. First of all, there are the economic impacts. The fishing industry is, of course, dependent on healthy fish, and pollution and degradation of the water habitat can kill off the fish or make them unhealthy. And when that happens, it's bad for the fishers. And tourism is also affected, especially in coastal areas, because popular tourist spots like beaches and swimming areas can become degraded or get closed down if there's too much pollution. Another economic cost is the cost of treating water that's been polluted or setting up systems to prevent pollution from spreading, as well as trying to fix damage that may have been caused by floods. Aside from the economic problems, there's also social issues. Pollution and poor water quality can negatively affect public health in various ways. People can get sick from drinking or swimming in contaminated water, or if there's a flood, then it can impact even more people. And people can also get sick if they eat fish or other animals or plants that have been contaminated by the water and then pass those toxins on to the people who eat them. And lower income communities are disproportionately affected by all these issues. And in addition to this, pollution can threaten things like salmon and other natural resources that can have cultural significance for some native tribes. Then there's the environmental effects. Eutrophication from excess chemicals and nutrients can block other organisms from getting enough sunlight and oxygen, which can kill them off or cause them to get sick. And then various pollutants like trash, oil, chemicals, bacteria, and waste can degrade the water quality, which can make the organisms living there get sick and die off, which is bad for the biodiversity of the area.
All right, and our solutions focuses both on preventing pollution and improving water quality. One solution is restoring natural filters like oyster reefs because oysters can naturally clean large amounts of water as seen in the image shown above the word solutions. Another solution is using green infrastructure such as rain gardens and prementable pavement, which helps reduce pollution runoff before before it reaches rivers and lakes. The image on the bottom left corner, it shows the difference between an area with green infrastructure has less runoff because the water is getting absorbed by the plants versus without. And finally, enforcing environmental regulations and reporting violations is important to make sure pollution laws are followed and water sources stay protected. And with that, um, that sums up our poster. Thank you.